Come in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading project. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good guidance at hard work. Sumako ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera! If you pray, you will be discouraged. Try again, and challenge is an opportunity. Hindi ka maharap!
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
Pagi, negociante,
or a big event na nagawa sa lugar kung saan ako lumaki. And of course,
Madame, pay dega win. And handsome dot na negociante,
legacy of my father. In the end, I want to be known that I'm the son of Mr. Henry C.
Madami Servicio Magagawa. The best sa servicio.
Because of Top Gun Maverick. I want to be a reservist pilot for the Philippine Air Force.
Wow, you be the best sa producto. Cape Hagen Piggy at an handsome nagsama.
The job for the money because we were not financially stable.
Super happy in SM.
The next generation.
The more successful you are, the more careful.
Action in progress. Action in business. And Harry, non negocio. Adan Harry non, Piggy. Ninong TV proudly presents another action of learning the businesses of the King of Philippine business with your Denver Ninong Castro. As Henry C. and Christian AI buddy from NTV Corporations as Alden Richards. Pambansang Bay at an Pambansang Negociante, the Henry C. and Alden Richards business collabs for services and operations with Studding. Henry C.'s travel basic SM supplies and SM retail of SM Supermall simulcast on Ninong TV April 17th, 2026.
Mark Beats. Mark Beats. Mark Beats.
O sige kayo na pogi. Basta sa akin yung dating. Haha.
sige kayo na pogi. Sige kayo na pogi. Basta sa'kin yung dating. Sa'kin yung dating. Panis yung mga pogi. Panis. Kahit pa napatsi din. O sige kayo na pogi. Sige kayo na pogi. Basta sa'kin yung dating. Sa'kin yung dating. Mga girls ako lodi. Kasi Harry's in the game. Harry's in the game. Yes, wag check.
Commercial Center, simply known as City Mall, is a Philippine community shopping mall chain formed as a subsidiary of Global Dragon Properties as of 2023. Kung kailang ginawa natin yung part 1 ng kapagpuno ng tao sa mall, ito pala, yung mahawak nito si Global Dragon. It has 43 branches across the Philippines. Owners natin si Global Dragon with 66%. And SM Investments is 34%. Owners, ito pala yung mga may-ari, mga ka-business din ng Tito Henry nyo. Si Ed Garcia, ito may-ari ng Magkinasal. Tapos si Tony Tantakyong, connected to, Partners for Entrep. Tony Tantakyong at si Henry C, di ba? Jollibee and SM Connection. And truly yours, your Tito Henry Sr. Siyempre naman, lahat naman tayo may chance. Tayo ay magkaroon din ng mabuting serbisyo. Hindi naman ito ginagawa para lang sa SMX Convention Center Aura, si Netbook Towers, si Net1 Center, si Net1 Square, si Netcube, Netquad, and Net Plaza is a global brand promoting cruelty-free makeup, skincare, and hair care products ethically sourced and inspired by nature. Para din pala itong Watson. Kasi di ba may Watson tayo na nagbebenta ng mga drugstore, foods, kung minsan na may mga kung ano-ano ng butik-butik doon. So dito sa body shop, same lang. Pero ang ginagamit dito na product is true nature. Nature, yung magaling sa pwedeng halaman, pwedeng pang parang herbal na ting, mga sabon, diba? Pero, merong history itong bata. Alright? Ang bata is when you purchase a pair of bata shoes. You are guaranteed that the products are designed with comfort, style, and quality in mind. Pang-buong katawan na pang-utak pa. From brain to whole body. Diba? Yun ang effect ng bata. Ang founder natin dito ay si Thomas Bata and franchised by Henry C. to SM Supermalls. Yun yung franchise ng Tito Henry. So, meron tayo dito last time. Inaral natin yung mga damit niya, just like yung Uniqlo, just like si Miniso, si Surplus, di ba? Inaral na rin natin yan. And then we also have si, ano pa ba? Sama yun, SM Department Store, SM Store. At marami pa na nakapila pa, na nakaline up pa sa ating mga idodoktrinahan. So we have the bata.
Hi, good day to all of you. And my name is Christian, your AI body from NTV Corporations. Of Ninong TV. To give a new lessons from SM on our vlog doctrines. So for today's vlog, we will learn some of SM, affiliates group siblings, the Travel Basic, SM Supplies, and the SM Retail for our Gen Z society. First of all we will have is the Travel Basic of SM Supermalls. Travel Basic is selling bags for travels, schools, and for regular, leisures and market days. Authentic and strong bags, and convenient and affordable prices with discounts and freebies. Now it's time for school and work with SM Supplies. SM Supplies for school and for work with chairs, tables, and some computer needs like printer, calculator, and some tumblers and office and for props design products. Now it's office time here at SM Retail. SM Retail is a kind of management holds the affiliates of SM Group. such as for foods and clothes businesses, and some properties. The main office is located at SM Mall of Asia Pasay City, in the Bayshore Seaside View. All of its matters still drives with GREET. Always remember, GREET stands for greet, recognize, encourage more and thank. For this one we can sell more and to connect a lifetime. Trust between the customer and the seller and of course, the company of SM. A million thanks be to God. And this is Christian. See you later. And have a wonderful and excitement business learnings. And for the main slide we will give you the host and the vlogger from Ninong TV. To educate us and to vlog with your Mr. Denver Ninong Castro.
What's up all of you? And this is your Denver Ninong Castro. Welcome to Ninong TV, your live watching from Facebook and YouTube subscribers. Ngayon naman po back to home basic vlog ang inyong Ninong. After natin mag-take sa Real Simulator ng SM Super Malls, we are taping and we are covering live those of the SM Super Malls, sometimes sa MOA and some of his affiliates at some of his mga ka-business partner. Ngayon naman back to home naman tayo. At syempre kahit nagte-tape ako sa bahay, ay kasama natin ang mga leading affiliates ng ating Tito Henry na nakikita nyo naman sa aking background. We have the BDO, the Goldilocks, the Watson, and his original SM store and the SM VC at ang kanyang selfie over there with his business connection. Meron niyang connection sa ating tatalakaying business. At sakto, nakabarong ang linog nyo. Pero hindi po ako pupunta ng Congress ha. At kung ano mang mga hearing na gagawin natin for this today's video. Dahil ang ating vlog na ating tatalakayin for our Henry C. the King of Philippine Business na malapit na rin nating matapos ang kanyang mga 100 plus na as of now siguro nasa 10 or 15 businesses pa na dapat nating tapusin. Pero my goodness, may mga uma-appear na naman ng mga bagong business na itinayo at isa sa mga kanyang hapitin ang kailangan nating aralin. Pero magkakaroon tayo ng program for that kung paano natin iisa-isahin o hihimayin yung iba pang mga businesses na meron ang SM ng Tito Henry nyo na ngayon ay dinadrive na ng kanyang mga junakis, ng kanyang mga apo. Alright. Okay. Ang title ng ating vlog muna today is ang pambansang bay at ang pambansang negosyante. Wow! When you hear bay, hindi po yung Bayshore yung sa MOA. Meron kasi tayong pambansang bay na alam na lahat ng ating mga Aldab fans yan, lahat ng mga fanatic kay Kuya Alden. Diba? Yun po ang bay. Kumbaga parang pogi ang dating o talagang model, heartthrob kung tawagin ng mga Gen Z. And then mga tawag dito yung mga superstar, mga ganon. So, yun yung bay. Talagang pogi. Diba? At syempre, meron tayong pambansang negosyante, ang inyong Tito Henry. Ayan. And this is it, the Henry C. and Alden Richards Business Collabs for Services and Operations with Studying Henry C.'s Travel Basic, SM Supplies, and SM Retail of SM Super Malls. Yun naman pala ang ating tatalakayin. We have those of the services na meron tayo na magiging connection kung bakit isa din sa model natin yung nasa likod ko. Okay, so dito po magkakaroon tayo ng Sir Alden at Sir Henry C. sa business lesson na ano bang connection ni Tito Alden o kay Tito Henry? with the C family and some of the affiliates ng ating SM Super Malls. Ano yung serbisyo na connected dito kay Alden? And we will have the special guest for that, a proud member of MTV Corporation AI Body, Christian, ang ating gaganap na Alden sa slide. Alden Richard will be the Christian. Yung gaganap na Alden for that special participation. But first, ano muna yung ating mga business pagtalakay dito sa ating mga aaralin para matapos na natin tong 100 plus, no? So, we will have the travel basic. What's all about travel basic? Yung basic na bang lumipad, basic na bang umalis, basic na mga pangangailangan kapag tayo nasa travel and tours. Especially, special shout out OFWs na some of our subscribers, di ba? So, ang tip Henry nyo rin connected at meron din mga programang inilalaan para sa ating mga OFW or gusto lang mag-travel around the world. Kasi, gano'n naman talaga. Kapag ikaw ay magta-travel, ang Tito Henry nyo, minsan na rin nag-travel noon nung siya ay nabubuhay pa sa laman that he discovered the United States and United Kingdom kung anong merong business doon at idinala niya sa Pilipinas kung kaya't ang mga SM natin maraming design, very creative, diba? So idinala niya yung ibang bansa sa SM so that yung ibang can afford mag-travel, sa SM na lang kayo pumunta, mapipil nyo para kayo na sa ibang bansa. We have a lot of great food trips na galing sa ibang bansa, mga design, mga puno-puno or parang nasa time travel na para tayo nasa ibang bansa talaga. Diba? So, idinadala na ng C family, ng Tito Henry nyo, yung pangarap nyo, diba? Na makatry ng ibang bansa. So, ito na nga, we will have the travel basic. Make your holidays as fun as your personality with the Whimsical Holidays collection featuring mix of pastel and playful. So they are selling bags for travel with SM Travel Basic. Okay, so yung Whimsical Holidays kasi so marami sa atin talaga lilipad, no? Yung iba OFW kailangan may magical. Kunwari talagang parang mas mapil mo yung pagta-travel mo, mas mapil mo yung paglipad mo, 'di ba? Kapag yung inyong mga bag maganda, matibay at talagang mapipil mo na parang ito na yung best, be the best travel ko kasama si Travel Basic, 'di ba? So, what's all about Travel Basic ng inyong Tito Henry? Check it out.
Traveling around the world is a big dream, Dot. Now, I bring it here so that people can also feel the great blessings of discovering the world.
Okay, just discover about the travel basic na ating na-discover dito. Ang kanyang mga matitibay na bags, mga maganda at mga colorful na mga paninda na perfect para sa ating mga travelers at sa ating mga OFW. Alright. So, napag-aralan na rin natin sa wakas at na-unlock na rin natin ang isa sa kanyang mga 100 plus na meron is the travel basic. Now, we will have SM supplies. So, ano nga bang meron sa SM supplies? Bukod sa nagsusupply tayo ng mga gamit, ng mga paninda, at ng mga goods na pwede nating mabili at matangkilik. And one of the services. This is also under by stationery. Ng low price. Si SM Supplies ay muli natin mapag-aaralan through stationery. Diba? Sa mga subscribers ko na itinakil na natin to last time, pero muli natin madidiscover para sa mga baguhan nating mga subscribers. And if ever you're watching, special shout out to our new subscriber, si Zion Tan. Thank you for discovering me, and Gandang Kid as well for discovering me for this video blog, no? Na isa sa mga customer namin dito sa Surplus na lumapit sa akin na kabuka ko daw si Rico yan. At nagpa-subscribe at ako'y in-interview. At as well, bumili na rin ng product sa Surplus. So, syempre, part ng grit yan Pagka tayo ay nagkakaroon ng mga get-together, mga new customer, hindi mawawala yung konting chika para mas ma-expose natin kung ano ba yung mga serbisyo na meron ang ating Tito Henry. Diba? So, special shout out to you and your family. So, dito sa SM Supplies, meron tayong tinatawag na from the cutest plushes and organizers to the latest art supplies and lifestyle tech or technology. We've got everything you need to study, work, and play. Come visit us. So, ito po ang SM Supplies na madidiscover natin yung kanyang mga gamit for work, for school, na under ni stationery at under ni low price. So, you will check it out.
Always remember to study hard and to work hard so that you will become successful in life.
Okay, na-discover natin ang tungkol kay stationery that under by the SM Supplies and Travel Basic. Ngayon naman po, we will have the SM Retail. So, ano bang meron sa retail na ating madidiscover? Welcome to SM Retail, the largest retail chain in the Philippines. SM's deeply rooted market presence in the Philippines stems from retail. SM Retail holds its market affiliates or franchise owned by Mr. Hennessy and the family, such as Surplus, Watson's, Ace, Bata, and more. So, eto, nadidiscover natin dito yung kanyang SM Retail. Yung SM Retail pala, yun yung humahawak ng mga ipinranchise ng Tito Henrio noon hanggang ngayon na ang kanyang mga C-families ang humahawak para magpatuloy yung kanyang nasimulang serbisyo. So, kagaya ng atin ito na aking nabanggit, we have the Surplus, Watson, Ace, na alam naman natin, kumpanya yan ng mga ibang bansa o ng mga Amerikano na kanyang idinala dito sa Pilipinas. Kung kaya't mayroon tayong mga ganyan. At kanyang ipinranchise. At meron po tayong SM Retail na humahawak ng mga ito upang mag-evolve at magamit yung serbisyo. Diba? So, for the third slide, we will have what's all about SM Retail. Check it out.
The best KPAG may work KA love your work, because that is your first business. The step for you to become wealthy.
Okay, na-discover na po natin ang tatlo niyang mga services. We have the SM Retail, the SM Supplies, and the Travel Basic as well. So ngayon naman po, we will have the exciting part. Ayun na, darating na po ang Bay. The slide of Mr. Alden Richards to be rolled as Christian as our Alden. It's all about Alden. So ano ba yung mga services niya? Bukod siya ay celebrity, siya ay nagbablog na rin to. As far as I know, he's also a multi-vlogger and a singer. So lahat na ata. And a businessman. Yes, a businessman din to si Sir Alden. So, ano yung kanyang mga background at ating matututunan, especially sa mga Gen Z na favorable din dito at may idol. To be rolled by Christian, our AI buddy. Share about Alden and what's all about of his services that people can benefit in the country. So, you will check it out.
Richard Reyes Falkerson Jr., born January 2, 1992, known professionally as Alden Richards, is a Filipino actor, model, host, athlete, television presenter, entrepreneur, and film director. Known for his leading roles in romantic and historical dramas, his accolades include 5 PM PC Star Awards for movies, 6 PM PC Star Awards for television, 8 box office, Entertainment Awards, 2 FAMAS Awards, a Seoul International Drama Award, Agencia Argado International Film Festival Award, a Golden Screen Award, and an Ani NG Dangle in addition to nominations for a Gawad Yarian and 2 Metro Manila Film Festival. Thanks be to God, and once again, this is Christian, your AI buddy from NTV Corporations. Now it's time for the real. Olden Richards slides coming up. Thanks Ninong for this project died for me.
So he also told me that he has his own fighter jet.
Oh, he actually flies also.
Yes, because
Not just in the movies.
No,
Ah.
he has his own. He's also the reason why right now I'm into aviation school. So I'm pursuing my flying training. It's a 2-year program. So by the time I graduate, I can already fly commercial aircrafts and be a pilot of commercial airlines because of Top Gun Maverick. I want to be a reservist pilot for the Philippine Air Force.
Wow, you actually aim to be in the controls,
Yes,
in the cockpit.
in the cockpit to fly jets. Tom inspired me not to get stunt doubles for action scenes.
Because of the 15th anniversary is all about giving back and paying it forward. Gusto ko po kasi talagang bigyang highlight naman, of course, in the past years kasi puro na lang ako yung nakikita natin, yung nakikita ng audience, and yung nakikita ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. And right now, all of the people naman that's very much part of my journey in the past 15 years, sila naman yung mabibigyang highlight with this event. And why Santa Rosa? Because sa tagal ko sa industriya kasi hindi pa ako nagkaroon ng event or a big event na nagawa sa lugar ko saan ako lumaki. And of course, with the help of the people in Santa Rosa as well, we were able to mount this event, and I'm very
There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
Kung ikay poridorogista, get out of my city. Yes, kayong taga Davao, alam ninyo yan.
Still working if I'm not happy.
Nothing but the proof of what I am. The worst of what I came from, patterns I'm ashamed of, things that even I don't understand. I try to fix it, I try to fight it. My head was twisted, my heart divided, my lies all collided. I don't know why I didn't trust you to be on my side. I broke into a million pieces and I can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like.
Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head?
I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like.
Stop the song!
We're shattering the silence, we're rising, defiant, shouting in the quiet. You're not alone.
We listen to the demons, we let them get between us.
But none of us are out here on our own. So we were cowards.
I will save the Philippines against crimes.
We're still survivors, the dreamers, the fighters. No lying, I'm tired, but dive in the fire and I'll be right here by your side. We broke into a million pieces and we can't go back, but now we're seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The stars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies.
I will save the Philippines against crisis.
Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like.
At meron ako na-discover, what? Meron na naman siyang isang bagong ball. Woo! Bukod sa SM, bukod sa Alphamart, sa SM Store, bukod sa Walter Mart, meron pa pala tayong isa na dapat malaman. Oh, my goodness, napakarami talaga. At ito, take note, yung mga first time at mahilig pumunta sa City Mall. O, ito na.
We've got it all for you.
Okay, na-discover na po natin ang tungkol kay Alden. Ngayon naman po, paparating na tayo sa exciting part at eto na nga, ang slide ng inyong Tito Henry at ni Mr. Alden ay magkakaisa. Ano-ano yung programa o yung naging services ni Mr. Alden para matulungan din si Tito Henry on his businesses at ano-anong connection ang kanilang pinagkaisa to serve the people and the economy as well. Diba? Ang Tito Henry nyo, kilala naman na ng buong Pilipinas and even worldwide, si Sir Alden, kailangan ding ma-expose sa mga ganitong bagay so that hindi lang naman tayo nagpo-focus lang sa isang bagay. Kailangan maging instrument din para ma-evolve yung iba or ma-promote natin yung ating mga kakayahan. Diba? So, we will have Mr. Alden and Mr. Henry C. And by the way, thank you for our special guest, Christian, our AI buddy, gumana bilang Alden. So talagang pang Alden ng datingan, no? Ang inyong Tito Henry and Sir Alden is giving this instrument so that to all of our educators na nangangarap mag-business or kailangan matuto or gusto mapag-aralan si Idol, kami mga simpleng kasangkapan lamang para makilala natin sila at ma-discover. So, this is the exciting part that we will give you, Alden and Tito Henry.
She'll be mine. Walk past, I press rewind to see if I wonder when she'll be mine. Walk past, I press rewind to
What's up, Unicorn? Oh! Hello, Nathan. Dami mong bitbit. Hello, kamusta po kayong lahat? Sa Unicorn and of course to all our Dr. O fam who's here today. Maraming salamat po for coming. And we're very excited, of course, to showcase one of the products that Dr. O has, which is the Dr. O Hypochlorous Spray. Actually, ginagamit ko yan most of the time kasi syempre whenever I'm out, syempre I'm always on the go, di ba Nathan? Kumbaga kailangan natin ng something to refresh our skin and to protect it.
Father's Day is celebrated to give honor to the fathers who've been, providing for their families for the past years.
Yung nag-umpisa pa lang siya, pag Sunday, ako yung nagda-drive.
Sometimes I do tapings, ganyan, shoots. I come home late. That's the one who opens the gate for me.
Ako na rin nagpa-park.
Siya na rin nagpa-park. Even though I don't show it often, I love you very much. And thank you for taking care of our family. I will sacrifice my happiness for you. Promise. You know that. I love you, Dad. That is King at SM. Happy Father's Day! Shopping na, sama ako.
Yes.
For the money, because we were not financially stable. My mom passed away, my dad had to resign from his long-time job just to get the severance pay so we can get by, for us to be able to pay for the funeral of my mom. So after that, we were hanging by a thread, making ends meet. We don't know what to do.
DJ, patunugin mo. Tonight, ikaw ang reyna ng saya. Pagpasok mo pa lang, gumalaw ang gabi. Sa ilalim ng ilaw, ikaw ang sinisigawi. Habang mo'y diretso, walang alinlangan. Sa bawat galaw mo, bagsak ang dahilan. Kumpas ng musika, hawak mo ang sandali. Isang tingin mo lang, ako'y bumibigay din. Wala nang salitang kailangan pa. Sayaw mo pa lang, sagot na sa lahat. Hawak mo ang beat, hawak mo ang gabi. Sa bawat galaw mo, ako'y nabibihaw.
From shoes to sports, the C family has touched nearly every corner of Filipino life. Their bank is now the largest in the nation. Their malls are cultural anchors, where millions gather each week. And their university has become an educational powerhouse, shaping the next generation.
The more successful you are, the more careful you have to be.
A story that began with one man, one shoebox, and a dream. Today, it's a legacy that spans not just malls and banks, but the hopes of an entire country.
So, I don't look at things that I'm doing as my legacy. I should say everything I do is for the legacy of my father. In the end, I want to be known that I'm the son of Mr. Henry C. Okay, he's the important guy.
Let's dive deeper on the winning strategy and champion mindset on the second part of our conversation with Mr. Hans C.
Do not buy art because somebody says it's very nice. You buy art because you yourself love it. And I remember he said, remember, if you bought a painting, install it in your house, it's not the friend who recommends that will be seeing it, it's you who will be seeing it. So you better like it before you buy that. That kind of attracted me. So I started looking, what do I like? What do I like?
There is no such thing as overnight success or easy money. If you fail, do not be discouraged. Try again when you do well. So not change your way from your Henry C. Giving you my advice. Never give up, Laban lang. None, Laban pray. And believe, and to make things happen. And thank you to Mr. Alden Richards for helping and trusting MySM Supermalls and its services. God bless you and your family.
There's no such thing as a busy schedule when you make time and you have time management from your Alden Richards giving you to be the best thing to become successful. Thank you, Mr. C and the family, for this opportunity to work and to be with you in Supermalls and other affiliates. To God be the glory.
Okay, just discover the slide of Mr. Alden and Henry C. on their business, on their program, at sa kanilang mga pagkakaisa to serve the people and the economy. So now, we will have the CSR. Siyempre, ano yung kanilang pwedeng maitulong sa taong bayan? As we feel blessed from the Lord and Jesus of serving and helping and through our own properties, ano yung pwede nilang maitulong sa kanilang kakayahan, kanilang kaliitan to serve the people, the economy, na makapag-serve nationwide and even worldwide. The services that can be discovered in his affiliates of Henry C and the services of Alden through CSR. So you will check it out.
Ligaya, pagkakaisa, sabayang pinagpala ng isang dingbuklod ng pag-ibig na dakila.
Aral ni Kristo'y ibinabandila.
Kristiyano ako, Kristiyano tayo, pagmamahalan natin ang patunay ito. Diyos
Okay, thank you for watching and God bless all of us. At dito po nang tatapos ang ating video vlog na ang pambansang Bay at ang pambansang negosyante. The Henry C. and Alden Richards Business Collabs for Services and Operations with studying Henry C.'s Travel Basic, SM Supplies, and SM Retail of SM Supermalls. Alright, maraming salamat po sa mga subscribers natin at sa mga nanonood. And by the way, subscribers, subscribe Ninong TV in Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok, and Google as well. In all social media platform. Just search Ninong TV, my name Denver Ninong Castro, and you will discover the vlog. So you may download this one for only 115, 80 pesos. Subscribe Ninong TV and to discover the vlogs that we have, and to buy this for 150 and 80 pesos for screen record, or you may just share to your family and friends para sila ay ma-educate as well. Thank you and subscribe Ninong TV.
Come on in, look at what we've got. There's so much more, there's such a lot. Here at SM, we've got it all.
As long you can provide what they need, what they want, and they will always come back.
Philippine company that is invested in market leading project. At pag-aaralan natin pala natin by Uniqlo is one of the business branch of Mr. Henry C.
Ang pagsasama ay hindi madali yan. Kailangan nito ng disiplina, good guidance at hard work. Sumuko ka na! Madami na akong laban na inarap. Ultimo gyera! Imprepare! Try again! And challenge is an opportunity. Hindi ka maharap!
Henry C., the king of Philippine business.
Hey Nakiki, Jamoba, Younger, Duone, and Ganda, and looks good to see.
Wow, yes. Parang fried chicken sarap nun pare diba? I like it gusto ko yan, ha 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 ha.
Tara mamaya, after Nayamag TikTok. Let's have her name it. Makuha, Nitan, C. Yayi ha 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 ha.
Tuloy po kayo. Pasok po ate. Ang tunay na straight ay hindi sa kabastusan at hindi rin dapat magyabang at manira ng puri sa kababaihan. Dapat tayo magbigay ng respeto at pagmamahal sa kababaihan, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagbigay ng buhay sa ating mundo. Ito po ang inyong Denver Ninong Castro, nagbibigay pugay para sa ating mga kababaihan. Palaging tandaan, ang respeto at pagmamahal ay dapat nating matutunan